Hi guys, welcome back. It's me, the girl from Pinterest. So as you can see by the title, we are reorganizing my closet today. We're gonna be decluttering, we're gonna get rid of some clothes, and right now, as you can see by the background, it looks pretty organized, pretty clean, but what you don't see is this and this. So we're gonna tackle all of that. Let's get into it. So I just got these new cupboard system under my window because I ran out of storage and I need somewhere to store my shoes. Before, I just kind of had my shoes laying on the ground along this wall, and it just looked really messy, and somehow it makes it really annoying to open the window. Thought it's kind of wasteful if I don't like open this window and enjoy this view while I live here. So I think getting these cupboards here, keeping this space clean, I will open this window a lot more. And now I think I should get one on this side as well, so it can go all the way along the wall. Don't mind these wigs. This was literally from Halloween. I need to like find somewhere to store them. I think I'm gonna get rid of these shoes here because I haven't worn them in literally like 3 or 4 years. I don't really like them anymore. They're also really old. You can see like there's so much dust on here. It's kind of embarrassing, but I'm gonna get rid of these. I'm gonna throw these shoes away. I wore these so much. I definitely get my money worth. This is like yellow and they're so old and dirty. Like I'm never gonna be able to wear these again. I'm gonna sell these. I love these. They are just a little bit too big, and when I wear them I can't really walk because my feet keep sliding out of them. These are all of my leg warmers. I'm gonna fold them in these containers. They fit perfectly into my drawer, and I'm so mad that I only got 2. These from Muji, and I might run over there just to get a couple more so I can fill up the cupboards. Okay, I'm gonna run to Muji real quick and get the container for my Pilates socks. I'm gonna be so strict with myself. I'm only gonna go in there and get 1 container. If you guys didn't know, I am a Muji addict. Every time I come in there, I go feral and I just grab things and put in my basket without even checking the price. I just go crazy in there. I literally went there yesterday and got a bunch of stuff already. So I'm gonna be strict. Let's go. Container now, and these are all of my grip socks for Pilates, and I just want to keep them separate from my regular socks. Okay, I'm gonna get rid of some dresses. These are all my maxi dresses. I don't know if you guys can see, but it goes like all the way here, and there are actually a lot of them. Okay, let's see what we have here. Okay, I have this dress and it's so fun. Like, look at the asymmetrical hemline and then this little fuzzy detail. I feel like this is something that definitely Carlson would wear. It's so fun, but it doesn't fit me. Like, this is too big for me, and I plan to get this tailored so I could wear it, but it's literally been 4 years since I got it and I've never taken it out of my closet. I've never got it tailored or anything, and I don't feel like I'm gonna do it anytime soon, so I feel like I should get rid of it, but I don't know. I'm just so attached to my clothes, especially if it's something that I thrifted. When it comes to new clothes, like stuff from brands, I don't mind getting rid of them, but if it's something that is thrifted, I just get so emotionally attached. So I don't know. I'll think about it. I think I'm gonna get rid of this dress. I do like the color, I do like the fabric, it's really comfortable, but there's no split or anything at the bottom, and I find it really hard for me to move around in these. I've only worn this once and I don't think I'll ever wear it again. Gonna get rid of this. And by getting rid of, I mean I'm gonna sell them. I'm having a garage sale this weekend with my friends, so I'm gonna sell these pieces there. If you're in Saigon, stop by and give my old clothes some love. I'm gonna get rid of this dress. It is so beautiful. It's thrifted and it's sheer, and this flower print is so beautiful. It just, again, doesn't fit me, and I plan to get it tailored, which I'm never gonna do, and I just feel like it deserves to be worn, deserves to be seen in the world, deserves to be admired, instead of just being in the corner in my closet, never seen the light of day. So yeah, I hope someone will get this and give it some love. It's such a gorgeous dress. Hello, it's another day. I don't know if I have time to rearrange anything today or organize anything. It will be strictly just picking out things to bring to my garage sale, which is gonna be in a couple hours. I need to bring some stuff over there, so I'm gonna speed run through all of this, which could be good because then I won't overthink about what I want to keep, what I want to get rid of. I'm just gonna be like grabbing things. And also I might get a tattoo today. I'm not sure if I find anything that I like or if I have time. All right, let's go through our things. We have an hour. Okay, so this is the closet in my bedroom. I haven't even opened this closet in like a year, so there's a lot of stuff in here that needs to go. This is just taking up space that I can use for something else. This needs to go. I'm just gonna get rid of all of the tie-dye. I thrifted this a while ago, so it kind of has a place in my heart, but I just haven't worn this in a really long time, so I think I should sell it. I'm gonna sell this. Gonna get rid of this. I don't even know where this is from. Gonna get rid of this as well. And this. Also gonna get rid of these. Oh my god, I had these for so long. Should I keep these? These are like one of the first PR pieces that I've ever gotten way back when I just started growing on Instagram, so I feel like emotionally attached, but I haven't worn these in 6 years, and I have photos in these, so I can have the memory already. Maybe I should just get rid of these. Oh my god, gonna get rid of this. Why do I have so many tie-dye things? Oh my god, this is such a mess. Cannot wait to fold these when I get back, but for now I just have to stuff everything in here. Gonna get rid of this little top, this little Sailor Moon Almighty shirt. This is just not my style anymore. Okay, these are everything that I'm selling from this closet. We're gonna deal with this mess tomorrow, I promise. Okay, some update to my clothing rack here. I have all of my parachute pants here, nicely stacked. Over here as well, some track pants. And I kind of just didn't organize them by color, but by how much I wear them, because I would hate to have to pull them from here. So these are like the ones that I wear the most. And then over here I have like random knits, some mini skirts. This is just random because at this point I just can't. Up here I have all of my colorful crochet. This is like beachy stuff. Up here I have some knits. These are some of my shrugs and cardigan. Here I have some headbands, this cute little decorative ribbon, and then I just have like my everyday bags. Like this one I literally wear every day. This is a new one that I've been wearing a lot, like for a night out, because it's just small and cute. And literally my most worn bags. And some of my tote bags are here. Have a very nice day. Very cute. Just like beach bags, tote bags, you know. Very cute. And then over here, this is kind of like the mood board, you know. Just I use this clothing rack to do like haul videos. So this is just new stuff that I get in, kind of like easy for me to grab and remember to shoot them, or just the vibe that I'm going for right now. This whole area kind of remains the same. Like I kind of want to change it up because it's been like this for a while, but I think that's gonna take me a lot of brainstorming and kind of days to rearrange all of this, and I just can't do it right now. I really need to put my thought into it if I want to change up this whole system, because then I would have to rearrange my entire room. The only changes is the bottom row here of the shoe rack. My makeup table is also kind of the same, just my powders, brushes, lipstick. I have my hair clips. This is kind of messy, but jewelry, sunglasses, random boxes in storage. That's pretty much it. So it doesn't look like there are a lot of new changes to the room, but it actually, for me, the person who uses it, is quite a lot of changes, and it does keep everything more organized. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please leave a like for the algorithm, subscribe if you want to see more from me, and I'll see you guys in the next video.